Hello friends, welcome to Nourish and Delight. Looking for a colorful tiffin idea your kids will actually love? Try these soft, tasty beetroot pinwheel bites packed with nutrition and fun to eat. It is made with beetroot infused dough and flavorful potato masala filling. This recipe is perfect for school lunchbox, snack time, or even party platters. Firstly, mix flour, salt, and beetroot puree and knead into a soft dough using water if needed. Don't add too much of water at once. Beetroot puree already adds moisture and add water gradually to avoid sticky dough. Now grease with oil and rest it for 15 minutes. Now to make the filling in a bowl, take mashed potato and add all the basic spices, garam masala, salt, ginger, garlic and chili paste as per your kids' taste. Add sugar and lemon juice. To enhance the taste, in a tadka pan, take oil, add mustard seeds and onion and saute it and pour this mixture into the mashed potato and add handful of coriander leaves and mix it properly. And tip of the day is you can sneak in more veggies like grated carrot, paneer, peas or even cheese to make it more nutritious and appealing to picky eaters. Now take a portion of dough and roll it out, and now spread filling evenly and gently and sprinkle the chaat masala on it. And now gently roll into a log. Roll the dough evenly and not too thick. This helps the pinwheel cook faster and stay soft inside. And now cut into the pinwheels and press it like this. Cook both sides on a tawa or pan with a little oil until it golden and crisp. Let the pinwheels cool slightly before packing. This prevents condensation and keep them fresh and soft till the lunchtime. So soft, colorful and tasty, these pinwheels are perfect for little hands and lunch boxes with a tangy ketchup. Healthy food, happy kids. If you try these pinwheels, snap a pic and tag us. And like, share and follow for more such recipes.